Good evening, everybody. Tonight I'm going to make a banana bread. I already have here 5 banana, and Inin wants to help me here. I wanna show her how to make a banana bread so she can make a banana bread by herself. So I'm going to peel the banana here. Hi guys, I wanna start now making a banana bread. I'll just use I don't know what's the type of banana here, but this is, maybe it will work. Supposed to be when you make a banana bread, you should use lakatan, but we don't have lakatan. This is our only banana that available here, so we don't want to get go to waste. This is the banana that we hang there on the shade, and now it's ripe. So I'll just use 5, supposed to be 6 banana, and then this is too many. Now I need to pinch this one. I have my camera woman here in, so I have a chance to make a banana here and hold my banana bread. Posain. Tanawa gud in. I'm back here, guys. See the banana here? So perfect. I wanna show in how to make banana bread. So now I'm going to add butter. 2/3 of butter. It's already melted. There. Then mix it. Then 1/4 cup sugar. Iposa in. I need to look the sugar here. Now I have the white sugar. Only 1/4 sugar. If you want to add more, make a sweet, you can add more. So mix it. I have some a note here so I won't get mistake. I need to look at the ingredients because I just make a bread if we have a ripe banana. And the next one is egg. You need 2 eggs. There. Set it here. Then mix it. Nice. Smells good. And after that, I need to get the teaspoon. Two tablespoons of vanilla. This is 2 tablespoons. And 2 tablespoons of baking soda. There. And a pinch of salt. Mix it. I just use this what do you call this one? So ay luwag. Because it's strong and hard. My twist is almost damaged. The last one, guys, is 3 cups of flour. So just pour it here slowly and mix it. I might pour all the flour. Then more. Then last, pour all. Lagi ba ang lagi? Just continue mixing. Wow, so sticky. It's been a long time that I did not make a banana bread. Like what I said, that we don't have, I'll just make banana bread if we have a ripe banana. And this banana came from my sister in town, in the house. So last is this one is ready to put on the container, but I want to add a raisins. It's up to you guys if you don't add a raisin. So me, I really like to add the raisin. It add flavor to it. So I'll just sprinkle here, then mix it. I'll just mix it here. Then I wanna add more. This is a nice raisin. Smells good. Yum yum. Okay. I need to get a soft, what do you call this one? Then put it here in the container. So I don't need to add here a butter because this is a non-stick cooking container. Okay. Okay, I'm done, guys. Then I'll be back later if this one will cook. So I need to pause for a while. Finish. I'm done with the banana bread here. Now I need to take this one out. Still hot. La. Yummy. One more here. Good. I guess I need a knife. Bread knife. Okay. Smells good, the banana bread. Ala, Jesus. Init naman. Inato, tanipabog lang ino. Muta eh. Here, guys. Still hot. That is why he broke when I what do you call this one? Ay. Inita niya eh. Smells good, really. Oh, wow. So soft. Naman way. Because there is a reason here. Nabungkag man. Inito man good. Hi guys. We just done cooking the banana bread here. Then this is the in first time taste my bake.
Yeah.
How's the taste?
It's very good.
Not
Yum, yum.
bitter?
Yum, yum.
Because there are some banana bread that is better taste. What can you say, Doy?
The best. Nice.
Nakatingog.
Soft
Nice.
and
Nice taste.
Good
Oh,
taste?
good. Yeah.
Yummy?
yummy.
Delicious. I can export this one. Thank you guys. Bye.